All right, 689 divided by 8 using an area model, meaning we're going to be multiplying our 8 by big numbers to see if we can chip away at this mountain and get close to 689. So here's our area model. And we'll draw 3 boxes for 6, 8, and 9. But we'll put the 689 in here. 8 goes out here. So the first thing we're going to do is just think of that 689. Just look at the hundreds place and just think of it as 600. Can we just multiply 8 by something to get close to 600? Okay. So could we do 8 times something gets us close to 60 instead of 600, and just think about it without the zeros? So for example, let's put it up here. Could you do 8 times something to get you close to 60? Well, 8 times 8 is 64. That won't get me, that's past it. But I could do 8 times 7. That gets me to 56. So 8 times 70 gets me to 560. I mean, that's pretty good. We got a lot taken care of here. So let's do that. 8 times 70 is 560. All right, so we have climbed up this mountain 560 of the way. I only have to get to 689. So what's the difference? How much further do we have to go? Well, we're going to subtract to figure that out. We have 129 left to go. Put that number right here. Okay, so now we're doing 129 divided by 8. Or, could we do 100 divided by 8? Or could we do 120 divided by 8? So let's see here. Let's see over here. Let's do 120 divided by 8. Well, you can't really fit that evenly. Remember, forget about the 0 for a sec. 8 times what equals 12? I can't do that. But 8 times 1 is 8. Looks like that's the closest we're going to get. That's fine. Let's do 8 times 1 equals something close to 12. 8, that's the closest we can get. Let's do 8 times 10 equals 80. I mean, we're still chipping away. 80 is big enough, right? We're just chipping away. Let's do that. 8 times 10 equals 80. So we went 560, and now we've gone another 80, and now we need to figure out how much further we have left to go. We had 129, we just did 80, so now we only have 49 left to go. Put that here. All right, now we only have 49 left to go. Can you do 49 divided by 8? Can you get close? 8 times what is 48? You can get close. Close to 49 is 48. 8 times 6 is 48. That's the closest we're going to get. We got to 48, which means we got so close, and there's that little bit left over. Subtract to figure it out. That's our remainder. So this means that if you do 70 plus 10 plus 6, if you do 86 times 8, you're going to get 688. You're going to get 1 away. All right, so we did 8 times 70 to get 560. We did 8 times 10 to get 80, and then 8 times 6 to get 48. And we got really close to 689, but there's a remainder because 8 is not a factor of 689. All right, so we climbed our mountain, and there's just 1 left over. All right, so we are going to put this together, 70, 80, 86. There we go. And remainder 1, since that's left over.